cartilage. So when a joint becomes arthritic, you get that wearing away of the cartilage surface, and then you start to get that bone-on-bone grinding. And the way the body tries to respond to that is to lay down new cartilage over the top of that bone. So, and usually it goes from a different type of cartilage. So it goes from the nice synovial cartilage, which is ordinarily supposed to be in the joints, to a new type of cartilage called fibrocartilage, which is the reactive cartilage. And that fibrocartilage has lots and lots of little nerve endings in it when it regrows. And that's a protective mechanism of the body to do that. The reason why it comes back with lots of nerve endings is so that it sends a message to the brain that, hey, this joint is damaged and not working very well, so it's painful, so don't use it as much. So they carry and they limp and they keep their very best thing that you can do to try and help your pet at home yourself is to try and control their weight. So if you keep their weight under control, that will go a long way. And you can imagine that, if you've got a 25 kilo dog and it loses 2.5 kilos, so 10% of its body weight, that's quite significant, and can help. Quite a few studies that show that if you have a highly concentrated product of green lip muscle, then that can work as a potent anti-inflammatory. There's supplements, that sort of thing. Omega fatty acids are really good. Ada, do you have a lot of your products that have omega fatty acids?
Our mobility supplement has green mussels and other
perfect.
omega-3 fatty acids.
Yep.
We also have freeze-dried green mussels as well. And it's
excellent. Oh, there you go. So you can use the pet wellness version of it, so that's great. So diet can have a very, very good factor to play in the progression of arthritis. So you can manage it and greatly slow it down by by what you feed your pets. Of course, there are inbuilt genetic factors as well. So if you have a golden retriever, for instance, they're the number one breed for getting hip dysplasia. So more than likely, it might be a good idea to actually proactively feed them some supplements like EPA and other omega fatty acids to try and hopefully prevent issues from coming.